Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will see what is the Argo CD. This is our introduction video for Argo CD. In upcoming videos, we are going to perform demo. We'll understand everything in a practical. We'll create a Argo CD namespace into the cluster. We will perform the all the activities related to Argo CD. Scenario based things also we will do on this upcoming videos. So in this video we are going to discuss only the introduction or the basic things. So in this video we will see what is the Argo CD. Then we will understand why we need a Argo CD. After that we will understand how we can set up the Argo CD into the cluster. Then we will see what is the sync and out of sync in Argo CD. We will understand what is the Argo CD image updater. And at the last we will see what are the sync options we have into the Argo CD. So first let's understand what is the Argo CD. Argo CD stand for Argo Continuous Delivery. It's a declarative GitOps tool for Kubernetes. It helps us to automate deployment into Kubernetes cluster based on the source of truth being Git repo. Instead of manually applying manifest file or updating cluster, Argo CD continuously monitor Git and do the update our cluster environment. So Argo CD reads what we have, what we define in a Git and make our cluster match it automatically. So let's understand why we need Argo CD. Managing deployments manually, it's very time consuming and it's just not scalable for big project. When you have hundred of microservices, multiple cluster and frequent deployments, you need something that is automated, reliable and traceable. It gives you automation, auditability, rollback capabilities and consistency. So all by treating Git as a single source of truth. So Argo CD basically solve our problems. It's make our deployment automated, safe, fast and repeatable using Git. If we want to see what is the benefit of Argo CD, so we can say uh, Argo CD help us to do the automation. We can easily do the version control in a Git history. We can perform the easy rollback from the Argo CD. We have a sync options which can help us to ensure the cluster exactly match the Git. Also, it's centralized control. I mean, we'll discuss that. So Argo CD can manage a multiple cluster. Also, it has a very beautiful dashboard, which it's a web UI where we can understand easily. It will show the real-time deployment status. So let's understand how to set up Argo CD. First, you need a Kubernetes clusters running. You can install Argo CD by applying official manifest file. Like you can use the below command like kubectl apply -n argo cd -f, and then you can put this URL, which is a GitHub URL. You can expose the Argo CD API server either via load balancer service and ingress or even port forwarding during the testing. So for that, users need to kubectl port forward svc /argo cd -server. So you can use this command to do the port forwarding, and after that, once everything is set up is done, you have to access that localhost URL, and then you can log into the Argo CD UI using the admin credential. You need to create you need to create a namespace called Argo CD as well. So let's understand what is the sync and out of sync in Argo CD. So sync means that your cluster that your Kubernetes cluster is perfect alignment with your Git repo. Whatever you define in Git deployment services configurations, they are all reflected correctly in the cluster. So that is called sync. Out of sync means something had changed. Maybe someone manually updated a deployment in the cluster but forgot to update in a Git. Maybe Git has a newer version but it has not been applied yet. Either way, Argo CD detect that changes and alert you. For an example, let's say in a Git you define replicas 3 for your app. In the cluster, your app also has 3. So what Argo CD will show you? Argo CD show the sync status as a sync because we have a same replica count in our Git repo as well as into the cluster itself. So when we say about out of sync, so for example, let's say similar example, let's say in a Git you have a deployment with replica 3. Someone manually changes in the cluster to replica 5 using kubectl of scale. Argo CD will detect the difference and it will show the out of sync. So why it is important? Sync, see, sync means everything is expected, safe. Out of sync is something, something is happening with the environment, and I mean something is, failure. It's kind of warning. So in a simple line, if I want to say, sync means your cluster and Git are best friend. Out of sync means they had a fight, and Argo CD is the peacemaker. So let's understand what is Argo CD image updater. Argo CD image updater is an add-on that automatically updates the container image tags in your Git repo when a new version of image is published. So this will help you to automate not only deployment but it will also keeping your application always up to date with the latest build. So what exactly happens? So image updater watch your container registry. Let's say you are using Azure container registry, so it will continue watch your container registry. It detect when the new image version is available. Let's say currently your container registry having 1.0.0 something, and someone push the new version called v 1.1.0. Then it updates the image tag inside your Git repo in your Kubernetes manifest or Helm charts. So it creates Git commit and push. So your Git always stay the single source of truth. Then Argo CD automatically detect the Git changes and deploy the updated app into the Kubernetes. So why do we need a Argo CD image updater? So basically it automatics updates when new image are available, always running the latest app version. There is a scale easily even hundred of apps, and I can say it's a fast, safe, and one important thing that the key feature of image updater, no direct changes to the Kubernetes cluster. Only it will make the changes in your Git. So now let's understand what are the sync options. So major sync options we can see in Argo CD, like manual sync is also there, manual sync, auto sync. So those are also there. Then prune means the prune option is automatically delete the resources that are no longer defined in a Git. Second, self heal means even if someone manually changes in Kubernetes resources, Argo CD will automatically fix it and match it with the Git. So validate only mode allow you to check if your cluster and git match. It will just match, it will not make any changes, so it will useful for dry runs and audit. That's it for today's video. We will create more videos in like a demo in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.